OET 2.0 Day 1 Orientation, Edu India 6 batch. We will be getting into the basics, but then it's very, very important. And if you have already attempted the exam, you will know why you haven't scored good in your exam. Then 3 is success secret. 1 is element. The other one is environment. And third one is energy. Element means the talents you have. The clubbing of these three aspects will definitely help your success. One thing, element, everybody has got his own talents, abilities. We say, if you know, if you can just learn the alphabet of your language, you have above average brain capacity. So don't think I am from Malayalam medium, I am from Kannada medium, I am from Telugu medium, I don't have competency. Everybody has got that element in you, but then you have to be cautious about the environment. Environment within inverted commas, it can be dangerous sometimes. See, who are your friends in your OET learning process? If you join with all those people who have failed 6 times, 9 times, and they keep on saying, no, you won't get it at the first attempt. Don't think you will get it. So always, definitely, you'll be having all the negative prompts here from around you. That will not help you. So see that your environment is positive, empowering each other, supporting each other, enjoying the learning process. If I keep on saying, there is a video on concentration, I believe, where I speak of something Tathastu. You definitely watch that. That will tell you more about this environment. Then the third one is energy. If you are losing energy by practice, if you are getting exhausted or tired, definitely you have not fallen in love with OET learning. If you have fallen in love with OET learning, you will keep on practicing. The more you practice, more energy, more realization, more knowledge you gain, more skills more competence you gain. Every day you will find a lot of growth. So fall in love with OET. If you have fallen in love with somebody in your real life, you always want to be with them. You are fond of being with them or spending time with them, interacting with them. So definitely, if you have really fallen in love with OET learning, you will never, ever get exhausted or tired of practicing. You will enjoy the process.
Hey guys, this is your friend Sachin. Today, I'm going to speak about a simple principle which is going to make a great impact on the way to your success. The principle is all about 3 A's: element, environment, and energy. The first is element, which means the basic stuffs or the talents which we already have within us. As per the studies, a person who is able to learn the alphabet of any one language is having an average brain. So we all are good in one or the other thing. The only thing we need to do is to explore and nurture them. The second is environment. This is very important. At the same time, within the inverted commas, can be dangerous too. The environment refers to the surrounding which we are in. It can be our friends, our family, or our own thoughts. It will be positive or negative. So always avoid people and being in place which gives you this negative energy. And try being in a comfortable place which gives you positive vibes and which motivates you to do something productive every day. The third is energy. Whatever you do it with your full energy. My trainer keeps on saying me that while you are climbing up a stair, if you feel exhausted or if you feel tired, stop walking and run. So when you are into something, you feel tired and even you feel like quitting. And there will be people who makes us to stop, but don't. Until and unless you're sure that you are done with it. Hope this video is going to help you in one or the other way. Till next time we meet, take care.